welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me here today. In today's video, you're joining me here in my living space, which is looking a little bit disheveled at the moment, and that's because I did went in and remove the covers, at least on this sofa, and gave them a nice wash. They're currently out in the garden being air dry, and they should be ready by now because it was quite warm in South Florida today, which was perfect. I also did one in last week and wash all the curtains in the downstairs area. I still need to go in and give them a nice little steam because I am still seeing some little wrinkles in there. But anyways, first thing first, what I want to do is to go out in the garden and grab those pillow covers. I also want to start decorating for the spring season, and I cannot wait to start incorporating some of those new in pieces that I did show you in my recent spring haul. First things first, let's go out in the garden and grab those pillow covers. Okay friends, so I got the rest of the covers, and can I just say I am so pleased with how clean everything is. The machine did such an amazing job. Start with two of the easiest ones, which are these little ones here. They should be really easy to put back on. Took like 1,000,001 breaks because, oh my goodness, this is a workout to get these back on. But I only have this piece left, which shouldn't be too bad. Okay friends, so this is just a little close-up of the sofa, and oh my gosh, everything is just so sparkly clean. I am so in love with this. I just love when everything just looks and feels super clean, and I'm just so happy. We're gonna go in and start putting together the pieces that I've introduced to you in my previous home decor haul. As for the spring season, this is pretty much going to be my color scheme. I absolutely love the pink and sage green together. Oh my goodness. These pillows, like I've showed you in my home decor haul for spring, I found that these at Home Goods, and I remember when I saw them, I literally just stopped in my tracks because they're just such beautiful and soft pillows. Absolutely love. So I also have these beautiful pillow covers that I've showed you before. These are from Amazon, and when I tell you, these are some of my favorite pillow covers. I've said it time and time again. I absolutely love them. They're in so many beautiful pastel colors, and I literally got them in all the beautiful pastel colors because I just love pastel colors so much. But anyways, I have the white ones because I do have the bigger pillows on the sofa that I do want to place these covers on. So I'm going to switch out the pink. These are the pink ones that's currently on the sofa right now. I absolutely love these, but I'm going to switch them out to the white ones because when I do combine, oh, and I also have them in the green. The green is absolutely gorgeous. I just love these so much. In my primary bedroom, when I was showing you those light blue pillow covers, and I did mention the pink ones, so these are the pink ones that I do have. So I have the light blue, I have the white ones, and I have the pink ones. The quality is absolutely amazing, and when I tell you, when I find a company on Amazon that does produce really beautiful, excellent quality pillow covers, I literally get them in all the colors that I do love, and this is the case with this one. So it's going to be these on the bigger pillows, and these as kind of like a little throw pillow just to add a pop of color, and this as the lampshades, which I'm just absolutely loving. I'm thinking I also want to add a little pop of more pinks because it is spring after all, so bring on the colors. So yeah, I am also going to be using these pillow covers. So this is going to be, whoops, I've lost the pillow cover. So this is going to be my color scheme for the spring season. that I've been waiting for. I'm going to be adding these beauties to the sofa just to add a little pop of color here. Friends, so I'm just going to go in now and switch out these lampshades. So when I did purchase these lampshades, the previous one, the mechanics was a little bit different. So I did went ahead and purchase these on Amazon, and they came in so handy. I absolutely love them. So all I do is just pop this under here like so, and then I just use this to hold it in place. And then all I have to do now is to just slide it over the bulb. And voila, that is it. Oh my goodness, I am loving this green. It is so pretty. So, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we got to do the same thing to the opposite side. So next up, what I do want to do is to switch out the prints in the office. And I do have this really pretty paper that I do want to put in there. So let me grab the paper and I'll show you. Beautiful wrapping paper to use in my picture frames. So just in case you are new around here, I absolutely love, this is a really amazing tip. I absolutely love using beautiful wallpaper or wrapping paper, I should say, in my picture frame as the prints. And I found this really beautiful one. Oh my goodness, let me just show you. This is the most beautiful wrapping paper that I've found recently at Walmart. Oh my goodness, how absolutely gorgeous is this. I just love the color. It does have hints of pinks and greens and different shades of pinks, which I am absolutely loving. So these I'm going to use in the picture frames in my office just to add a little pop of color on that back wall. But oh my goodness, how beautiful is this wrapping paper. I absolutely love it. Let me show you what they're looking like in the picture frame. So friends, this is the beautiful wrapping paper in the picture frame, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. It adds such a punch of color, which I am absolutely loving, and I think it's going to look really pretty in the office on that back wall there. I love the fact that it does have this really, like I've mentioned, really punch of color, so it's definitely going to draw your eyes back into the office, which I am absolutely loving. So anyways, let's go ahead and add these to the back wall in the office. Okay friends, so I'm just going to bring it a little bit closer into the office space so you can see the picture frames, and I absolutely love them. This is what I mean when I said that it does bring that extra pop of color into the office, which I'm absolutely loving. I did went ahead and just pop the pillow covers because I am going to change it out to those green ones, and I think it ties in perfectly with that area, a little bit of pink and that pretty sage green. I think it's going to look absolutely lovely in there. So I'm going to go now and switch over the pillow covers to that beautiful green sage color. So next up, what I want to do is to add just a little pop of color on this credenza here. And I did show you a few of the accessories, so let's go ahead and add. Friends, a moment that I've been waiting for some time now is to bring out these beautiful cherry blossoms. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these. So these, like I've mentioned, I got them from Home Goods last year, and oh my gosh, ignore the stems, I know it's looking a little bit crazy, but they are so long, the stems. So I had to kind of do this little contraption right here to put them in the vase. So this is the vase behind me here that I do want to switch these over to. But oh my gosh, I absolutely love these. The quality is just so amazing. And what I'm really impressed by is the movement on these. They're quite heavy and they do have that real touch feel, which I absolutely love. I mean, How gorgeous are these? Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure you can find these at Home Goods at the moment because they do have all their spring summer florals out. But oh my gosh, if you're looking for some really beautiful and lifelike cherry blossoms, I'm definitely sure that you can find these at Home Goods. But I just absolutely love these. But anyways, let's go ahead now and dress up that credenza. These are also from Amazon and they just look so good in this little area right here. But I do want to switch them over to these beautiful cherry blossoms. So I'm just going to take these out. I'm pretty sure during the season, the summer season, I'm going to bring these back out. But I'm just going to pack them away for the moment. I thought I was going to have to fight with these, but they did really good. So these are some of the really pretty and cute accessories that I do want to add to the credenza. As it stands right now, it's looking very much serious. So I do want to bring in a little bit of a spring color to that area. It's at the moment black and white, so I do want to just go in and add a few pretty things to the credenza. So I have this really lovely vase here, which I just love so much. I mean, look how pretty the color is. This is just so lovely. I also have the beautiful candles and candle holders that I did show you. So these candle holders are from Marshall's and they just have like the prettiest floral detail, which I am just loving so much. This cute little vase is in a mauve color, and this I did pick up from Ross. It was actually on sale for $3.99. So this is a really pretty, lovely candle. Oh, that I did show you. The scent is just so soft and so pretty. So this is what the vase is looking like, or the jar. How gorgeous is that? I just love the floral details on the candle on the exterior. So I absolutely love that. And last but not least, I do have this little bowl here, that little tray. I think this is like a bowl, but I do want to add this some way, somehow, to that credenza. Candle. My little candles right here. I just love this really pretty pastel color. They're just so nice. And of course, as you can see, the candle is close to this floral right here. So I'm definitely not going to be lighting these candles right here. And then on to the next one. So this one would look really pretty. All right, so now for this really lovely candle, I'm just going to pop it right here. Absolutely love that. Last but not least, I think I want to add this right on top. Or do I want to remove the book? This book. And just add that there. I mean, I think either way it does look nice. So friends, something that I do want to share with you are these lovely grow lights that I've been using ever since last year. So if you are a mom, a plant mom like myself, I absolutely would recommend. I usually take my plants outside at least twice per week during the morning. And oh my gosh, ever since I've started using these, I've been taking them outside because I love when my plants do get that natural sun from outside. So I've been taking them out instead of twice per week. I mean, these are really large plants and it's very heavy. But anyways, instead of taking them out twice per week, I've been using these and I've been taking them outside in the morning just for some morning sun. So I take them out around 8 a.m. and before 10 a.m. I do bring them back inside because the leaves are quite delicate. These have literally saved my life. I absolutely love them. Saved my life and my back. They do have timers for 4 hours, I think 8 hours or 12 hours. So I do have mine set for 4 hours. So when I come downstairs in the morning at 6:30, they're already on doing their thing. I have one here for this huge plant that I have, and I do have one over at the fireplace. So I have one over there. So I have two of these. And oh my gosh, as you can see, I'm going to bring it a little bit closer, but I do have a lot of new babies that's coming out. And I am just absolutely loving these. But my babies are looking really nice and healthy. And I just love that for them. All right, so I think we're almost complete with this living space refresh for spring.